hey! In the future. Hey guys, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. To all my friends, my brother and sister, sa mga OFW, kumusta po kayo lahat? So today I'm gonna be we're gonna be cooking 3 different kind of dishes. A very simple dish to make and you're gonna enjoy it. So let's get busy, magluto na tayo. So ito po ang ating mga lulutuin sa araw na ito. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aking mga luto, please don't forget to share or subscribe. Thank you po. So ngayon mag-umpisa po tayo magluto. Ito po ang aking lulutuin ngayon. We're gonna cook steamed broccoli with minced garlic and chicken. And the other recipe is kanin lamig with vegetable fried rice. Okay, this is yummy. I'm gonna show you the simple way how to make fried rice. Okay, third one, this is fish fillet. So fish fillet it's a basa fish. So this one I'm gonna cook it with black bean sauce. Oh, basically call it spicy fish fillet. Okay, this one. Now we're gonna start with my steamed broccoli. Ang gagawin po rito, i-steam po natin dito. Kung meron kayo nito sa bahay, pwede nyo gamitin. Ang ginagawa ko lang po, pinapatong ko lang po yung vegetable dito sa taas ng steamer na bamboo. Ang ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko ng konting oil para magiging ano yung ano niya, texture ng kulay niya, magiging bluish. Okay, so ito po, lalagay ko na natin. Approximately kung this one, you minimize probably maximum 3 to 5 minutes to boil. So, ganyan lang po yan. Tapos tatakpan ko lang siya para keep it steam. Okay, just there. The other one now, lulutuin na natin yung kanyang chicken and minced garlic. Okay. So now we're gonna start cooking the minced garlic and the chicken for the steamed broccoli. Una, ito. Two teaspoons of sesame oil. Teaspoon of oil. And this spoon. Now let's start this one. And have chicken. One teaspoon of Canola chicken powder, and just stir it. So now we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna slurry to make a little bit thick. And this baby is almost done. now we move to the next dish. I'm just gonna cook simple vegetable fried rice. Ito yung kanilamig kagabi. Yan ang gamitin ko. Okay, let's start cooking. Heat up the wok. This one approximately, you estimate the oil. I put like 6 spoons of oil. Okay, let's cook the vegetable fried rice. Onion. Garlic. That's a big spoon. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just a teaspoon of chicken garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So this is my vegetable. Basically, I'm gonna use zucchini, green onion, more scallion, and carrots. Rice. Vegetable fried rice is done, so we're gonna plate it. So there's the fried rice, it's done, so we're just gonna plate it. Cilantro. I'm gonna show you how to cook a spicy fish fillet with black bean sauce. This is a nice dish. It's all matched with steamed broccoli and to my vegetarian fried rice. So okay, so let's just cook this one with flour and my little bit spices. Flour. Powdered onion. 1 teaspoon. Ginger, not too much, just probably a pinch. Like that. It's too strong, that's why I don't want to use it. And then just mix this up with my hand. Okay, let's fry this one now. Cool. So let's fry our fish fillet. Just gonna be using my finger. So get the oil there. Preheat the oil already. Oil. Again. That's probably like 6 spoons of oil. Sweetie or Mamacita food coloring. Garlic. Onion. Black beans or tausi sa Kapampangan. By the way, Kapampangan po pala ako, tiga Guagua. Manyaman kayo ni, manyaman. So, black beans sauce. Oyster, 2 spoons. Chilli, oil. This one I just made it myself. Binili ko lang yung dried chili, put olive oil and garlic. Just in case you might need it when you wanna use for when you're cooking spicy food or whatever. Just drop about half teaspoon of black pepper. Green onion. We add the sweet chili sauce, like 1 tagay or shot. And that's it. The fish is done. Ang ginagawa ko lang po, isasaka ko lang to. Ilagay ko pati-patita, tataktakin ko lang. Tapos ko rito. There. Sa plate. Tapos, lalagyan ko lang ng topping sa taas. Bam! This cilantro and green onion. Bam! And my friend, this is our last course. Fish fillet with black bean sauce. Chili fish fillet with black bean sauce. Salamat po sa panonood ngayong araw. Siguro naman po sa susunod, gulo naman po tayo ng mga try ko pong gawa ng pulutan. Okay? Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aking mga luto, subscribe the link under or share or like it. Maraming salamat po and until next time, thank you.